guys, Rare Dev here. Today we're going to be cleaning a PS4 controller with the items needed: a toothbrush, alcohol, water, a spray bottle, a flannel, and a cloth. So first we will need is a toothbrush, but before we start you have to turn off your controller because if you have it on it breaks. I've seen some people do that. It didn't turn out well. So let's just clean it with the brush. Take off all the bigger pieces, all the dust. The brush is also really nice to get between all the buttons, to get all the dust out between all the buttons. There you go. Now I can use a 50-50 mix of alcohol and water. Okay, so let's get this. Pour the alcohol first. Don't use too much, like that's good. There, that's good. That's fine. You don't need too much. Just close it up tight, nice and tight. Now you can just spray it on the places that you want to clean. There, be at the back. There we go. We're gonna use alcohol because it's really good for cleaning electronics. It makes it nice and clean and removes all the stickiness. And also, like it's good for disinfecting the controller. There we go. And we use a microfiber cloth to get rid of all the smudges and all the little dirty spots that we missed. And that's all. That's how you clean a controller. Bye bye.